So welcome to this Season Day Scholar, Season 3. And for me, this is one of the, the most close to heart episode because I never thought Yamamoto Sensei will agree to this. So I am so much grateful for you to take part, to take some time out for this podcast, which is made for younger generation and also mid-career, mid-level, and also everybody can learn something out of this conversation. So there is no time bound. We can take the relaxing and all those things. If the time allotted today will finish, we will complete it another day. But anyway, we will go like that. So welcome, Sensei.
Thank you very much for your invitation. Thank you. Yes.
How did you, your master supervisor was same than your PhD supervisor?
Oh, this is Japanese way, same.
We marry, then we continue.
This is like a Japanese style.
Okay, yes. In India also, we love to, if we are in the same institute, then we generally don't change supervisor, if we are not forced to. But so tell me something about your supervisor, who is also, I think the world should also give him credit to give us Yamamoto Sensei.
My supervisor is Professor Matsuo. He was very kind to allow me to do what I want to do. So it's very kind.
And he was, when you joined him, how old he was?
He was young, yes. That's 15 years older than so 15 years. So this I start undergraduate. He must be young, yes. Young professor at the University of Tokyo. Yes.
Young professor. What is the similarity between his style of educating, his PhD student, and yours? Do you see any similarity?
Yeah, probably similar. Because yeah, I think I learned the way of some kind of the mentoring or teaching or guidance or advising way. I think I learned a lot from the Professor Matsuo. So this means that I myself, I don't want to limit student and then some force student. Of course, advice, of course, we advise, of course, but I heard what do you want to do, something like that. This is a start. Then my super, I think that, so this means that I say supervise many different topics in my laboratories. Very variety of topics. And I advise, then my laboratory has very diverse topics, laboratories, anyhow.
Yeah, I saw it. I have been witness there. So you are, you give in the entire freedom, you ask first what to do. But let's suppose that some student doesn't come and it is a time bound, some degree or program or something. So then how do you do? How do you deal with them?
So, of course, not all to finish in time, of course. But sometimes I allow to be deal with longer than the expected time scheme.
And I know that you support also sometimes financially or through, because maybe a scholarship finished, then still you support by financially so that they can complete their degree. And generally, you do not get a bad student. I mean, always they have a certain level.
No, this is yes, this is true. This is true, yes. So this is a lucky situation in the University of Tokyo, right? Anyhow.
Yes. Yes. That is, if you are in top university, you are in that position. I mean, that advantage is there. About topic, how did you choose your topic for PhD? Because that is much more important. Tech, okay, a small 6 month or 1 year, 6 month project, then master 1 year project, or maybe 1.5 year project. But PhD is like you have to leave it with that project, that topic, and maybe you have to marry that topic for your rest of the life. So how did you choose that this is what I want to do?
So this is probably different from this selection of the topics, probably different from the now current system, or different from the other institution probably. But I think if you're talking about the system in Japan, PhD topic itself is not so important to make for getting job opportunity. In terms of the getting job opportunities, master thesis topics, PhD topics doesn't mean so significantly. So of course, I'm now some continuing. That's why this is based on my curiosity. I continue to do some similar topics, and until I finished. Oh no, I don't. I'm not finished because I voluntarily withdrew doctoral program, because now we are now PhD program, say doctoral program, when I was second year. And then this is by chance, I got the position of the research associate at the University of Tokyo. Same department. But I continued the research topic. Then 2 years later, I got PhD or Doctor of Engineering. So I don't have to stop my research topic, but I voluntarily withdrew from the doctoral program.
Wow. Why?
No, just because of just job opportunities.
Research you got a job?
I got the position of the research associate at the same department.
I got job. Special.
I got job. That's why I withdrew the doctoral program. But so this means that my doctoral dissertation, I took 4 years, not 3 years, because I got position of research associate. But so I didn't have to stop my work, research.
Yeah, for research. But again, while joining PhD, you completed, or you quit RA?
No, this one is so this is probably Japanese. This one is not. I did not complete PhD program, doctor program, but I got PhD or Doctor of Engineering. So this is a different system. So we have 2 types of the Doctor of Engineering or PhD. Probably PhD is a program doctor. But this is but at that time the Doctor of Engineering has 2 types. Then usually we don't call it a PhD program, but this is equivalent, right? Doctor of Engineering equivalent. But we could say this is a PhD program anyhow. But I withdrew this program, and then at the same time I got a position. I continued research and I finished my research. Then I got.
Then you submit and got it.
Yes, got it.
The degree. Okay, got it. Because in India,
because I think the unit wise is all right. I took already the required course.
required is, yeah. So in India also, if you have a required thing is done, you can go to job and then submit your thesis from there and get the degree. It is okay.